Hi all, we are done with Python installation. Now we will see how to use that Python. So when you go in start menu, you will find here ideally Python 3.11. So this ideally we are using for our programming. So ideally means integrated development environment. Ideally means whatever you need for your program running, editor you want to you want that for writing code, then you need to run the code. All the things are integrated here. That's why it is called integrated development environment. So I will right click on this and I will pin it to taskbar so that it will come to taskbar and it is handy to use. Now you can see here on the taskbar. Now I will double click on this. Now once I double click on this, so I am getting this one window. This is called interactive Python. Interactive Python means using this shell you can directly interact with Python. Means you can play with Python. For example, you can create Python variables here. I am creating here a, so I can print their value using print statement, or directly I can do like this. Then I can do it here mathematical operations. For example, total is equal to a plus 200. So and I can check their output. Then I can create here functions also. For example, I am doing here add function, and this is, for example, this is taking two arguments and I am doing return here. So we are going to learn this, how to define function and how to execute that. So for now I am just showing you the example. Now this function is defined. Now I will call that function using 9. So now this is 18. So in this way, whatever code you are doing in Python, all the code you can write here. Even you can create classes, objects, everything you can do. But there is issue with this interactive Python. Once I close this window, what will happen? We will check. So once I close this window, and if I again open that interactive Python, I will find that my code is not available here. That code is vanished. So this is the issue with interactive Python. Means when this interactive Python is used, when you want to do some simple practice, then you can use this interactive Python. You can use it as a simple calculator also. So what is the solution for this? The solution for this, we can create our Python script. Python script means you can write your code there. That file will get saved, and whenever you want to run that code, you can run that. Okay, means in short, your code will get recorded, and whenever you want to play that, you have to run that file. Okay, so in short, we can say like that. So how to create that Python script? You have to click on File menu, then New File is there. So once I click on this, so it will create this untitled file. So for example, I write here simple Python statement to print hello world on the console. So I will write here. So now, for example, this is my Python code. Now I want to run this file. So before running this file, you should save this file. For example, if I click on this run and click on run menu, so it is asking me source must be saved. OK to save. So it should be saved. So I will click on OK. So it is redirecting me to Python wherever Python is saved, wherever Python installation is there. So don't save this file here. What you have to do, so for that I have created one folder on desktop for coding. So I will create here one file here. So I will save this file here and like test, and automatically it will take extension. So I have saved this file. Now that file has saved, and now this is the output of our program. So in this way you can create a Python script, and this is having .py extension. Okay, so and this is called ideally because we need editor for code, then runner. So all the things are integrated here. So that's why it is called ideally. So in this way, using Python's default IDE, which is coming with Python installation, that we can use for Python programming. So in the same way, various smart IDEs are also available like PyCharm, VS Code. So those also you can use for our Python coding. So next we will see how to download and install VS Code, and then how to use VS Code for our Python programming. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.